Okay, hi everyone out there. This is DayTraderRockStar, and this is the market watch list for Tuesday, October. What is tomorrow anyway? October 23rd. Now, we all were worried about this big Monday being a big down day, and actually we showed some severe strength today. The tech stocks were holding up. Money was flowing into them. Retail seemed good. Housing stocks seemed to be in favor. So it leads me to believe that this market has probably seen the worst days behind it. Still, we can still head lower, but I do believe tomorrow morning we will be heading higher, and we're just going to trade it now. The market's given us a nice gift, a nice pullbacks in some stocks, and it's reinvigorated the watch list. A lot of new stocks and a lot of old ones have come back into a buying range, and we know where they're going. So it's going to be easy pickings from here. It's going to be some good plays. It's going to be some easy money, I think, coming up. So that makes me happy. Just to start off, we're looking at the futures aftermarket. Actually, looking at different things. Intuitive Surgical ISRG up $25. I don't know, probably up 10 after the close. Dow futures up 22. Apple, of course, came out with gangbuster earnings and guidance, trading at $86 after market. It was all the way to high, I believe, was like at $88 or $89. So we'll see how that opens up tomorrow. I'm sure there's going to be some upgrades for $250 or whatever, and hopefully we get a 190 open and you can just blow out your shares there if you're holding any. Same thing with Google, up nice aftermarket on a mention by Kramer. Popped up another like 5 points, and some other ones. So probably going to be a two-part video, as I just want to discuss some things about the market and then go into the watch list. Again, we had a great day today. A lot of rebounds and some strong stocks. A lot of easy setups, consolidations, relative strength plays on a market that was showing some weakness in the morning, yet came back strong and closed pretty good. So it looks like we're in for some good trading now. So let's take a look at some of the stocks that we are going to go over this week, which I'm liking at right now. First one, AKAM, Alchemy. We traded this one on the breakout of this downward trend line maybe 2 weeks ago. It was a great trade. I said this was going to go up to the $40 area. Actually, it got up to around $38. I was out of it before that area because I like to just take my profits. But this was one of the best setups you like to see. I like to see a W pattern, an inverted head and shoulders, even like on a slant down. And then right when you break through that trend line, boom, we got a nice run. But look at this. Since that move, we come right back down to the moving average here. The 50-day moving average, I believe that is, right there. 50, yeah, that's the 50-day. And what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? Yeah, everything looks good. This thing is just primed to go back up. I'm definitely seeing $36 on a retrace back up here before we even hit the 40, and then we fill the gap to $45, $46. So this one's just giving us a gift. I picked up some shares today, and I'll probably pick up some shares tomorrow on a higher high, meaning a break above today's high. It would be a very bullish sign. So looking for that play. All right, let's see what else we have. Next on our list, I started a position today in Blackstone Group. I like it here off the moving average. Statistics are coming down pretty strong, but another good stock that made a nice bottom here. An inverted head and shoulder bottom, which we didn't really get into this trade when it first broke out, but now that it's coming back and giving us a second chance, we're going to get in it, or I'm in it already. So right here we have the inverted head and shoulders. Here's the head, shoulder, and the breakout on that trend line, pretty much right here. And once again, we'll come right back to that breakout. We've given us a second opportunity, bounce off the moving average, everything looks good for this one to continue higher from here. So I added to my position. I would definitely keep it on your watch list and buy on any strength. Another one I bought into the close, actually, just on the trade, so it doesn't really do you good for a watch list, but it'd be interesting to watch, see how IMMR opens up on these Apple earnings. I'll probably be getting rid of that one tomorrow, but just in case, this one might have some momentum in it, considering it does with the technology with the touchscreen iPods and the iPhone. Another one that looks really good here is Marvell, MRVL, and another tech stock that's it's holding off, it's flagging out here, it's holding some strength in the recent downturn. The market sold off pretty drastically on Friday and on kind of Monday today before it reversed. And this one's actually been holding its own about 1750. So I like this one. I like to see this one retest that $18 area and then go long. I'm not going to get in it yet, but I just want to bring it to your attention. Here's one that is appearing to be the oversold area, bouncing off the 50-day moving average here. MasterCard. Now, American Express came out today, beat their earnings. I don't know how their guidance was, and I think it's selling. It's sold off a little after market, but overall, I believe that MasterCard is going to come out on October 31st of all days. October 31st, Halloween. MasterCard's coming out with earnings, and they should pretty much, I think, knock the ball out of the park here. I don't know if they have any subprime credit worries or anything. I'm going to have to guess no, or whatever. But I just think that it's probably an excellent buy here around this level, especially off this moving average. And I'd be watching for an opportunity to enter the stock. Look for a good uptrending day. Look for buyers to start coming in. Just listen to the radio, www.DayTraderRadio.com, because I'll be having that on my watch list now. I like it at this level. I'll start adding that also. Another one, like I said, is going to be a pretty good list tonight. CME, I expect this one to probably start heading higher tomorrow. Had a nice uniform pullback right down to the 20-day moving average, and this one can actually head a little bit lower, but this one is just a cash machine. I believe this one's going to head higher. It continues to want to, trade up. Look at this, how this thing trades. We have a sell-off and a retracement, and then we have a sell-off, and then a sell-off or retracement. So maybe tomorrow we'll have a little sell-off and a retracement. We'll see. Just anytime this one gets down to that 610 area, they seem to buy it back up. So I'll be watching this one tomorrow for any type of strength. Major breakout in this one to put down on all your alerts is $633. I'm expecting a big move after 633, maybe right up to 650. So long-term target on this one's probably 650 once we break 633. Want to do it before then, but definitely watch the move up tomorrow. If we start to move up, this thing can really start to get momentum behind it. Same thing with NYMEX. This one I used to follow a lot. We're right down here at this level. Good support down at this level. Really good support. Usually you see a rumor coming out saying this one's back in play, and we're basically back down here. Statistics are getting oversold. These statistics are really come in handy here, especially on these. Once you get down to this level here, you can see the market usually bottoms out, heads back up. We get down to this level, we bottom out, we head back up. So we're back down to this level now, and we're probably going to start heading back up. So another good trade to be had in this one. All right, so things are looking good. I have a few more on my watch list. I don't know if I should even try to get it or just cut this thing short. One other thing I want to do is actually, I'll follow up on the next watch list. I don't want to go over and get this video cut short on me. So let me follow this up with a second part. And remember, you can tune in each day to www.DayTraderRadio.com, and we go over. I do live trading, live setups, chart, technical breakouts, everything. So if you like it, just tune in. Let me know what you think. My email is ironaction@yahoo.com. And stay tuned for the next video.